I have a Honeywell PC8900 installed at home. The thermostat for the unit is labeled as 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the following colors: Terminal 1 equals red, Terminal 2 equals white, Terminal 3 equals green and Terminal 4 equals yellow. I am planning to replace the actual thermostat for a Nest thermostat, but not sure if it's compatible. Please, can I have any suggestion?
Hello. Sorry you are having problems. My name is XXXXXX I will do my best to help. Please wait to leave rating until we are finished. The PC8900 is a communicating thermostat. Somewhere, usually near your indoor unit, you will have a control module whereof your normal control wiring from your system connects: R, Y, G, Y, O, B, C, G, W, etc. The 4 wires run from the control module to the PC8900. In order to use the Nest, you will need to remove the PC9800 and the module and run the system wires directly to your Nest thermostat. Do you have any further questions about the replacing your current setup with the Nest? If so, let me know. If I have answered your question, please remember to leave rating. If not, let me know how else I can assist. Also, when you get the Nest, if you need assistance, here is a link to my desk. Thanks again. http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert-airheatman/.
Hi Tim, thank you very much for your answer. The PC9800 is connected to 2 units, the downstairs unit installed in the master bedroom and the upper unit. One thermostat, downstairs, is the one with the 1, 2, 3 and 4 label. The other thermostat is wired as the standard R, W, G and Y wires. Do you think that assuming that the 1 equals red, R, 2 equals white, W, 3 equals green, G, and 4 equals yellow, Y, can connect the same way for the Nest thermostat? I am not an expert and I am not sure if I will have to do some rewiring after the PC9800 is disconnected.
This opens a new scenario. I have never seen or am I familiar with being able to use the single thermostat control 2 separate systems. I am going to open question up to other experts who may have more input on this. Do not leave rating and close question until you have received a satisfactory answer. Hopefully another expert will be able to answer this about controlling 2 systems with the PC8900.
Thanks Tim, I have pictures of the connections if that may be help.
You can post them here. This installation of one thermostat controlling 2 separate units is something I am not familiar with, and my goal is to provide honest and accurate answers. Hope you understand me opting out and opening to other experts.
Yes, I am agree with you, and it's better to have a good understanding of the issue before provide an accurate answer. I will post the pictures shortly.
Sounds good. I will take a look, but still leave question open for other experts.
I will create a diagram and add the pictures for better understanding. I will provide that tomorrow. Thanks again for your help.
Thank you.
Good morning Tim, after a more detailed search I found PC8900 was connected to only 1 unit. You were right. Please find attached a picture with a wire diagram. I am thinking if I can only disconnect the 1, 2, 3 and 4 wires from thermostat and connect it directly to the unit and leave the others connected. Let me know what you think. I am not sure is about a device, if is a relay or solenoid on top of the duct. Please see picture. What is the function of that device?
The Nest thermostat may not work with that thermostat. You should contact Nest toll-free number and check with them. Also the picture is of a motorized damper. Most likely it is connected for outdoor air. If it is wired as you show to GNC, when the fan is on, the damper will open BART J41256.85399063666.
Thanks for your answer. What I am looking for is to take the 1, 2, 3 and 4 wire and check if I can use for the Nest. One of the options that I thought was to take those cables and connect direct to the AC unit under the proper code/terminal red, white, yellow and green. I am not sure is about the other wires coming from the unit and the one in the duct. Maybe that one is the damper that you are referring? If is necessary to remove the PC8900, I will do it. For the research that I have done, that equipment is already discontinued. Thanks.
So yes, if you take the wires and just connect them together, as will work. 1 is R, 2 is W, 3 is G, 4 is Y, then on the Nest it will be the same.
So can I get rid of the other cables in the unit? There is a blue wire connected to C that is in the panel, but not in the thermostat. It will affect any performance? If I take all those cables out and only connect those 4 wires, the unit performance will be the same? Thanks.
C is common. By doing this, you are eliminating the functions of the PC8900. Humidity control and outdoor air. You will have a basic heating cooling system that only needs 4 wires for the furnace/air handler and thermostat. Cap or tape the blue wire so it doesn't short to anything.
Thanks again for your help. So with the 4 wires I will have both functions, heating/cooling but not humidity control. That will be the main difference, right? Sorry for so many questions, but I am not an expert. I just want to make sure that I don't have any problem when changing the thermostat. I tried to change that thermostat once more a year ago with another brand, and the fuse of the unit was blowing every time, but now I have a better understanding of the situation. Thanks again.
Should work fine. Turn the power off first. 4 IRS direct to stat and you should be good to go.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.